You've already seen me put the engine in and test fit all this stuff with all that. I put this on, you haven't seen that. It's our full throttle body. It's on there nice and tight. It was recommended to throw some thread locker on the threads, so I did and torqued them down. Also started running the wiring for the Holly. Holly. We're not ready to completely plug it in. I would just kind of put it in to check routing. We still have some welding inside the cab to do and then some painting to do, so we don't want to get too far with that. Alright, well, I'm starting to run the wires for the Holly. I'm gonna pick the truck up and run all the main power wire for the box and the fuel pump stuff to the back, and I'll zip tie it up. I'm not 100% sure we're gonna come through the box, but I'm gonna get it back there. And yeah, that's what I'm working on right now. So I think that the fuel cell is going to be as far back as possible, either right over the rear wheels or as far back as we can get it. Not 100% sure. I'm just going to run the lines as far back as I can. Zip tie them up so they're out of the way, so they're not dragging and don't hurt themselves, and then we're getting our fuel cell this week, so we will know.
What are you doing? Cutting the bellhousing off transmission.
Are you stressed out yet?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
We gave ourselves like an inch extra almost.
A lot of extra.
Yeah, so we don't mess this up royally. I'm gonna keep letting you cut that. I'm gonna help our new friends.
Okay, there we go. Bellhousing's cut off.
Oh, okay. Good.
That's that.
Yep.
So now I gotta cut and shave. I gotta shave this part off here so the bellhousing sits flush. But I just rough cut it with a zip disc. So going that way now. Now we just gotta trim and shave and get it perfect. So I'll show you that when it's done.
Hey man.
Hey! I'm yelling because it's loud.
Oh, we're putting our spacer in.
Spacer's in.
It's pretty dark. I'm so sorry. We are.
Bellhousing done. I didn't talk about that since I told you I'd last update you.
We are gonna, fingers crossed this fits. It's thicker bell housing, so.
Yeah, this flange is pretty thick, and we mocked it up with. It's outside.
It's a she gone.
She gone.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
I feel like this is something you like hit on a rock.
And then you eat a transmission. We're gonna have to come in from like the side. Whee! And then come back down.
Yeah.
It's a little dark, but Layne is putting bolts in to try and pull the tranny in. Live action. We'll be back and report when we have a transmission in. Trans fit. We have like a couple bolts to tighten up, but
We got to put it on the ground for a couple, and we're missing a couple because we don't have some long enough. Trans is in. Hell yeah, brother.
Turkey. Alright everybody, I'm gonna use a website to pick a comment winner. Fingers crossed you're subscribed because I'm going to check that. So hopefully the first one is a good one. Let's pick a random winner here. Oh, Nathan. I'll send you a message personally so I can send you a shirt, dude. Congratulations on winning, homie. I will also add a link to Nathan's YouTube channel. It's Birda Riders. Behoop. I'm gonna put a little link and all that stuff up here. If you like side-by-side stuff and the Alberta boys, that's the channel for you.
So we test fit the engine with the old style truck intake that we have up there, and we're using the TBSS intake, and it doesn't fit. So, welcome to destruction.
There we go. We put that in, engine's in. I think that's it for the video because I don't remember all the stuff that I filmed, so that's probably it. Like, so comment, subscribe. You got anything to say?
Keep it to yourself.
Keep your shit to yourself. Drive fast, take chances, risky habits.